God, your door is reopened. Shri Sai Baba Samsthan warmly welcomes all the devotees arriving in Shirdi. After a long span of 8 months, COVID-19 restrictions have been lifted, and on the occasion of Deepavali Pratipada, Shri Sai Baba Shrine Temple is reopened. It is not government order, but wish of God, that is, Hitar Shrinchi Ichha, as expressed by Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray. The guidelines and SOP on the backdrop of COVID-19 prescribed by government is followed with utmost care. The very purpose of visiting Shirdi is Shri Sai Baba Darshan, an auspicious, joyous occasion for the Sai Baba devotees. Shri Sai Baba Samsthan is committed for ease of darshan as well as providing the facilities for the devotees. The darshan queue start at the gate number 1 for paid pass and for free pass at gate number 2. In queue, devotees should maintain social distance, wear face mask, use sanitizer frequently and also follow the SOP, that means standard operating procedure, by viewing signages. There is also provision of first aid center in the darshan queue hall. The devotees first enter in the main shrine temple, where a devotee first gets Mukha Darshan and then slowly proceed by left side through Dwarkamai, followed by main idol and shrine. This is main place where devotees are very close with Baba's idol and shrine. It takes about only 5 to 7 minutes to get holy darshan of Shri Sai Baba once the devotee enters in the main temple. Then after darshan, the devotees proceed to Gurusthan. Finally, the devotee is given the holy Udi from Baba's Dhuni. After that, devotees proceed to Datta Mandir, Nandadip and exit temple complex. The devotees can get the online Shri Sai Baba Aarti and Darshan passes through our website online.sai.org.in. Free darshan passes are also available at biometric pass centers at Shri Ram Parking, Dwaravati Bhakta Niwas, Sai Ashram, Shirdi Bus Station, 500 room Bhakta Niwas. Paid passes for Aarti are also available through PRO office adjoining to temple complex. Prasad Bhojan also offered to devotees between 10 am and 9 pm in the Prasadalaya of the Samsthan. Daily events at Shri Sai Baba Mandir. Mandir opens at 4 am for the devotees. The morning prayer, that is Kakad Aarti, performed at 4:30 am. 5 am, Holy Bath, that is Mangal Snan, is followed by Shirdi Maze Pandharpur Aarti at 5:30 am. General darshan starts after this Aarti. To avoid hassling, it is most humbly appealed to the devotees coming outside of Shirdi that they should take online Aarti or darshan pass from our website online.sai.org.in. Lastly, on the backdrop of COVID-19, walk-in Palki procession should be avoided. Sansthan will appreciate if the Palki processions are refrained to come in Shirdi. We Shri Sai Baba Samsthan administration pray for your Sai Darshan Yatra to be pleasant, safe, corona-free and memorable. Your cooperation to observe SOP is highly appreciated. Om Shri Sai Nathaya Namaha.
On the backdrop of COVID-19, the religious places of worship were closed down on 18 March 2020 due to COVID-19. On the occasion of Bali Pratipada Deepavali, government has announced the opening of the religious and worship places for the devotees. As directed or as suggested by the government and the Chief Minister, Hito Shrinchi Ichha, This means that it is the wish of God, it is not an ordinance. So, accordingly, we are arranging as per the wish of the God, opening of the Sai temple. And for this purpose, we have arranged all the necessary standard operating procedures to prevent the dissemination of COVID-19, and simultaneously we are arranging the best possible facilities for the devotees to express or to express their belief in the religious places of Sri Sai Baba Mandir. For this purpose, maintenance of social distancing, use of mask and sanitization, etc. are very much essential. Those devotees who are coming out of Maharashtra, I am requesting as a Chief Executive Officer Sai Sansthan that they should come here for darshan only after fixing their time and date for darshan in Shirdi. I will appeal to the devotees out of Shirdi as well as other states of India that devotees should come here only after online booking on our website online.sai.org.in. Without this, if they arrive here, there is possibility of inconvenience for them and they may not get darshan in Sai temple. Hence, it is very essential for the devotees to book their darshan as well as hotel or Bhakta Niwas here in Shirdi. For the devotees, we have arranged a very nice arrangement, a queue arrangement for them. The devotees when enters in the Sai Baba temple, they will get the Mukha Darshan, that is face of Sai Baba. They can see Sai Baba's statue as well as they can proceed towards Dwarka Mai where Sai Baba used to sit and interact with the devotees. After that, devotees can go towards the shrine, main shrine of Sai Baba, followed by Gurusthan and Nandani. This means that previously this facility was not there and we have organized darshan facility in one queue which avoids unnecessary movement and roaming of the devotees and facilitation for the devotees to get the best darshan. I will request all such Palki procession devotees, they should not bring their Palkis to Shirdi because this is a very prone area or incidences that will help to disseminate COVID-19. The Sansthan is going to ban such Palki processions and will not allow them to enter in Shirdi. So all the devotees should take note of it. Thank you. Om Sai Ram.